What's up guys, hope you're all doing good. Welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. Now in this video we will be going through the effects control tab. Now the effects control tab is one of the most important and one of the most frequently used tabs in Premiere, and it basically provides you a view of all the effects that have been applied to your clips. Now whenever you import a new clip, in fact let me just do it right now. I'm going to import a new clip into my project, so I can do that just by double clicking here in my project panel and then selecting the clip and then clicking here on the import button. And now that I've got this clip in my project panel, I'm going to drag this and drop it here in my timeline. So now I literally just imported this clip in my project, but I can still see these three effects associated with my clip. The reason why I can see opacity, motion and time remapping already over there is because these three effects are native to all clips. Now it doesn't matter if you have made any changes to your clips or not, these three effects will always be there. Now, as soon as you start applying different effects to your clips, you will then be able to view all of those effects here in this section. You also have the ability to manipulate these effects in any which way you like. So let's look at an example now. If you look at the motion effect, there are a number of different parameters in there. So let's say if I want to scale up my video, I can very easily do that just by either using my mouse, or I can simply add in a number over here, or I can use the slider here. Now if I want to adjust the position of my clip, I can do that too just by playing again with these numbers, and you will notice that as soon as you start changing these numbers, you can see the effect of those in your program monitor in real time. So guys, any effect, any change, any effect that you add to your clips, you will be able to view all of those effects here in the effects control tab, and you will have the ability to make adjustments to those effects. As we progress further in the course, we will be discussing and using this tab more and more, so don't worry if you are feeling a bit confused right now and you're thinking in your head that what the hell am I on about. Do not worry, that's absolutely fine. We will go through this stuff later in the course. So guys, this is it for this video. I'm now going to see you again in the next video. Take care of yourself.